When the power goes out, your generator is your lifeline, but only if it's ready. In this quick do-it-yourself guide, I'll walk you through the ultimate generator maintenance checklist to make sure your DuroMax is ready to run when you need it most. Outages can hit without warning. A neglected generator might not start when you need it, costing you time, money, and comfort. Regular maintenance gives you peace of mind and keeps your backup power reliable. 1. Run your generator monthly. Let it run for about 15 to 20 minutes under load to keep the engine and components in working order. 2. Check and change the oil. Every 20 to 50 hours of use, or at least once a season. Always check oil levels before running. 3. Inspect air filter. Clean or replace it every 100 hours or as needed. A clogged filter can reduce performance. 4. Inspect spark plug. Check for wear or carbon buildup and replace if necessary. 5. Fuel system check. Make sure there's no old or contaminated fuel. Add stabilizer if storing gas. 6. Battery check. Ensure the battery is charged and clean. 7. Check bolts and fasteners. Vibration can loosen parts. Tighten anything that's shifted. 8. Clean the unit. Keep dust, debris, and bugs out of vents and components. Keep a log. Track runtime, maintenance dates, and issues. It's a simple way to stay organized and spot problems early. Don't wait for the next outage to find out your generator isn't ready. Use this checklist, stay on top of maintenance, and your DuroMax will be ready when you need it most.